कर्मचाऱ्यांचो पीएफ आडोवन दवरिल्ल्या गोयच्या 8 कंपन्यांचेर केंद्रान खर कारवाय केल्या। या 8 कंपन्यांचेर केंद्र सरकारान दंडात्मक कारवाय केल्या, कामगार मंत्री बाबुश मोन्सेरातान सांगले।
No, but I'm saying if PF is a must, no, what companies basically got to follow the rules. I mean, the department must have taken action on that. But I didn't have any meeting lately with the singer because I'll be having a meeting tomorrow with the commission. Not on that issue, but on the other issues.
This issue will be
Tomorrow is the workers. We are supposed to form a committee on that. On the board, the fresh board which was not existing actually, we are supposed to incorporate it.
labor.
Not labor welfare board. There's another workers board or some board is coming. The action has been suspended.
त्याच्यानंतर आम्ही कोणी आता
No, investigation is going on. I think the matter has been given to vigilance. I think vigilance is going to look into it.
स्वतः
No, one matter is actually going on in the court also regarding that. This thing. Now what that administrator what he has done, I think for what administrator has done by transferring it, I think that is the thing which has been going on with the vigilance department. But otherwise the matter is going on in the court. Smart city update, I have still not taken an update because of what is happened. Now as far as the chairman of the smart city, the chief secretary is the chairman. So he has just taken over as chief secretary. He has not had the meeting yet. So once the meeting is there, then I will come to know what